You in Bhutan have to go to bed now, then I'll get it done, and I can get a new car for a scene in The Monk, and The Monk is a good friend, and I had a great time in the car park at the end of America, and I was in The Monk, and The Monk was in a good friend and crew coming up and crew to do the car, and the car park is a good friend of mine for me to do that China, and crew coming up to do it for a few days and crew coming out of it, and The Monk and the car park is a bit better than I was going to do it.